Hey guys, this video is for all the students who enjoy IPL and cricket. If you are someone for whom you don't care or bother about IPL, this video is not for you guys. Don't worry, I'm not here to motivate you, tell you, don't watch IPL. Come on, study guys. IPL is going to distract you. You have to watch only classes and study and write the exams. I am not going to tell that. I am going to say, let's watch IPL and also enjoy cricket and also pass May 2025 exams. Sir, how can we do that, sir? First, even if I tell you don't watch IPL, you are all going to watch IPL, guys, because as a cricket fan, I know how it is. It's hard to not watch it. And even if you are studying, controlling yourself, one match you will control, immediately friend will call and tell Dhoni is coming to bat, you will run and go watch the TV. So why do you want to do something that you don't like doing? Rather, let's take it positively, enjoy IPL and also let's enjoy the exams. How do we do that, sir? This is for all our students who are writing exams in May 25 and cricket fans. No exams in May, go watch IPL, guys. Why are you on this video? Now, first question you will all be having is, should I watch IPL? I already answered that. Yes, you have to watch it, guys, but I will tell you how to watch it and also balance your studies. I'm only going to talk about two things over here, guys. My student days during IPL, how did I manage? Because when I was also writing exams, IPL was there. Of course, there were all matches during May exams, and most of my exams were in May only. We never had a September also then. And how do you balance it? Very simple. I followed a simple strategy where I'm going to talk about how did I watch IPL during my exam days and also how to balance it. Very simple. I never used to watch all the matches, guys. Now, who wants to watch one Lucknow versus Punjab match? Okay, why do you want? Normally yes, but in this crucial time, you need to prioritize, because what will happen if you watch every match? Sir, just now you told we can watch. No, sir, now you are saying don't watch. No, look at this. If there are going to be roughly about 60 matches, you're going to spend 3 hours per match. You're going to lose 180 hours. This you should not be doing, guys. This is definitely a criminal offense in law terms, having exams in May. But what can you do? What you can do is pick 10 matches of your choice. Sir, my favorite team is CSK, for whom it cannot be CSK, guys. I think half the country will be CSK fans only. No offense to other team fans. Now let's take 10 matches. In this, I will take, let's say for example, 7 matches of CSK in the group, 2 in the playoff and 1 in the finals. So CSK will totally play 10 matches. Only those CSK matches I will see. Therefore, totally I'm going to spend only 30 hours. That's what I used to do. At least when I used to study, CSK used to come to playoff every season. So I had to definitely watch those matches also. But what I used to do, so now this is what I did during my student days. What I did was basically I used to watch only selective matches, and that too in these matches I don't watch the full 30 hours. Maybe I will see only the chasing, or maybe I will see the last 5 overs. If exams are very close by, I will just see the last 5 overs. So that way what happens? You're only watching a few matches. Lastly, sir, how to balance, sir, most important. You all should be knowing this, guys. But just to add on, I motivate myself saying, for example, if this Sunday there is a match between CSK versus RCB, for example, how many days I have left for this match? Still 3 days to go, sir. For example, guys, okay. What I will do, in these 3 days, I will set myself one target. I have to study all these things. I will somehow study all those things. Of course, achieving 100% is not going to be easy. Maybe I achieve 70-80% of what I plan. I will reward myself and I will go watch the match. Sir, I didn't study, sir. I studied only 30 to 40% of what I plan. What I will do in that case, I will not say punish yourself. Okay, you're feeling guilty. take a small break. You achieved 30 to 40% because something did not go well for you. Watch the match. After a match, start fresh and study. This was something I did and worked for me, guys. So let me know in the comments which team you are supporting for. What 4 teams are going to be the final 4 teams coming to playoffs. And let's have some fun also and study, guys. But of course, prioritizing is important. Most amount of time is for studying. Then like this weekly one match is totally fine, guys. So that's about it. See you all in another video where we keep talking and traveling together for your May exams. All the very best.